The event that Triangle Community Center, Circle Care Center, and HIV Equal hosted together, self-care for the trans community, was very important. People need to know that they have access to resources that affirm who they are and care providers that understand what it means to be trans and the kind of unique services that they require.
Well, we were really excited to partner with Jay Romero Salon for our transgender self-care event. They offered free consultations for hair and makeup in a gender-affirming and safe environment for our transgender clients, and free of charge.
It was so moving to hear a lot of the personal experiences a lot of people have dealt with.
It was great. I mean, just to be validated as a transgender person and see that I live in Norwalk, so to see that the TCC Center is having something on transgender self-care, not just gay people, because we get tired of being like, you know, lumped in with it, well, gay and lesbian, oh, and trans.
It was nice to see a lot of young people there. That was particularly heartening for me, in my capacity as programs coordinator at Triangle Community Center.
From my experience of medicine and my years as a practicing physician, this is one of the most rewarding things that I've ever worked on, is to see these kids change and grow and be happy.
What motivates me really is just empowering trans youth and their families that, you know, matter of fact, this is just your gender identity is just part of who you are.
If you've seen enough people die from issues around their gender and not being accepted and suiciding, and to see these kids like come together and be happy.
We've lived our lives 40 years in a low-level depression. Imagine living that way and not knowing what happiness really feels like.
It was a big crowd, and I'm very happy with the attendance and the number of people that were here to really engage in a discussion about care for the trans community.
TCC is a very good place, a very worthwhile place for what it gives our community. It's a safe place for people who are just beginning transition, just coming out of the closet. It gives them some place to go, some place to feel safe, and begin the journey and start learning about themselves without being judged.
It was just phenomenal to see 60 trans people sitting here in TCC and the World Health Clinicians building. We are allies to the trans community. We are part of the trans community, and that we are a home for the trans community. It's really the message we were trying to send across that day.